to go check out this Onyx Motorbike here in about 2 seconds. Guys, before my camera dies, here's my review. This is how you pay for them. The $4,000, you pay half down on purchase, and then you finance the other $2,000 for the next 6 months. They're located kind of in the Potrero in San Francisco, so if you live in the city, you can go get it. If not, you're gonna have to pay $300 to $400 to get it shipped to you within the 48 states. Unfortunately, they don't ship outside the US yet, but they will be getting there. It's a crazy bike. I now live with my girlfriend basically in a different part of the city, and it's just a pain in the ass to get to work on a skateboard in the morning when you first wake up. This bike has an insane amount of power. It did not disappoint. It has 3 modes. Now if you look, it's on right now. It's on the normal mode. So here's Eco, Normal, and then SPT. I can't remember what that means, but that basically means you're going 60 miles an hour. I only got to normal mode right there, and I think I pushed it to 35, maybe 40 miles an hour, and it was insane. The pickup on this thing, hands down, I'm getting one. The brakes, the front brake's not bad. The back brake has the back brake's a little interesting. It's a little touchy. Got a kickstand. So when the battery dies, you can actually pedal this thing. It's got a nice long seat, as you guys can see. I would recommend, if for something like this, I'm probably gonna put a tile in it. Here's the front light. Now if you switch onto the high beams, boom. Okay, got these nice wide treaded tires. Everything looks good. The battery actually is in here. I'm gonna actually look up the Onyx because I don't remember all the specs, so I can tell you guys, because this is just freaking ridiculous. Here are the specs on this bike alone. It has 72 volts of instant torque, 3 speed modes: Eco, e-bike, norm 30 miles an hour, sprint unlimited 60 miles an hour. It's a 72 volt 23 Ah removable L-ion 18650 battery. It has 17-inch heavy-duty moped wheels, large performant hydraulic front disc brakes with hybrid rear hydro mechanical disc brakes. Strong regenerative brake puts power back into the system up to 12 amps. LCD display, volts, battery meter, mile per hour, kilometer per hour, clock, trip, distance. Shipping includes freight and fully set up in assembly. Currently only available in lower 48 states, but they hope to be all around the world soon and global. I cannot believe how hot it is today. This is crazy. But because it's so hot, I'm going to enjoy this bike, hopefully not sweat my ass off riding it.